Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, find the toggle, which for me is right over here, and then you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings, from where you can change, well, the settings. So we have things like the calls, so we can allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Now I'm gonna choose no one for here, just to showcase one additional function right here, which is the allow repeated callers. And this will basically allow you to or allow someone else to call you no matter what the setting right here is. So you could have it that your contacts or favorite contacts are only able to call you, and if some random number calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will still be able to reach you. And this is a good option for emergencies. So this will allow someone to still get a hold of you. Now going back, we have messages, same as calls minus the 15-minute option. So again, select whichever one you want. Then we have all exceptions. Now it includes calls and messages right here, but we have then toggles for alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and events. So if you want some of them, keep them on. If you don't want them, disable them. Then going back, we have restrict notifications. So this is strictly for notifications and the pop-ups, banners, stuff like that. So when you get a message, usually you would see message pop up. You can basically block that if you want to. In custom, you have most control over it. You have preset as well, so no sound from notifications or no visual or sound from notifications. And duration, this is when you tap on the toggle. So we have until you turn it off for 1 hour or multiple hours, or ask every time. Now I'm gonna go with ask every time because this will basically bring up this window every time you tap on the toggle. Now I'll show it in a second though. And last thing we have is the schedule, and in here you can tap on add, create your own schedule. And what this will do is allow you to set it up so it turns on and off automatically at each given day at specific time till the specific time. And now going back to the toggle itself, talking about the setting, as you can see, once I tap on it, it brings up this pop-up right here. And from here you can either go for until you turn it off and you just tap on turn on, or for a specific amount of hours, and you can also specify how many hours you want it to work. Now this is a one-time off, so once you turn it on and 8 hours pass, it will turn off and it won't turn back on, unlike for instance the schedule option. But that is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.